new product that I have not used before. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so my hair needs a detox. I just feel that I have not used a clay mask or did like a protein treatment in like many months, and I am about to get my hair trimmed in about 3 weeks. So I feel like let me just detox my hair because I am going to color my hair myself right after I get my trim. So I'm super excited about that. I'm not gonna tell you the color, but I am gonna do it on camera. So I was in Ulta Beauty. I'm like, you know what, I've been hearing a lot about this product brand and I don't have anything of them, so I'm like, let me just pick it up. So it's the Maui Moisture Detoxifying Volcanic Ash Scalp Care Mask for dull and dry hair. So my hair isn't really that dry, but I just feel like I just want to detox my hair because it is self-care Sunday, so this is what I'm doing. So the product smells like cocoa butter. Is not a strong scent. It's super thick. See, it's like not coming out. Super thick, and I just finished washing my hair with my Alake black soap, you know, detoxing my hair. This section is nice and wet. I do have my spray bottle just in case if I need more. My first time ever trying Maui Moisture products, so I'm super excited. Off the bat, this just went on so smooth. Yeah. You could also detox your hair with a clay mask like the Aztec clay. If you have Rasul clay, you can use that as well. But I didn't feel like making a batch of the clay mask. The Aztec clay, I didn't feel like doing it, but I should do that in another video. But you can see my curls are popping. Okay. It's soaked right into my hair. I don't even need more. I'm just adding more because I'm like, wait, did it just soak up all of that? And my hair is already detangled. I wash my hair in sections. If you didn't see how I pre-poo, please check out that video. It is uploaded. But yeah, this deep conditioner. Okay. So I'm just going to use my brush just to smooth it all in. It's already detangled. I'm excited about this deep conditioner. Look at the definition. That is section number 1. So twist it on up. So I'm gonna split this in half. I really like this deep conditioner, like just from applying it. You saw my face. This is really good. Listen. All right, so I'm going to continue with the rest of my hair, and you can just watch me do that. Tease me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. Tease me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. All the minha fez disso. DJ foi down. Hold on. Twerking with CJ. DJ foi down. DJ flaming up. DJ flaming up. Down, down. DJ flaming up. Down, down. DJ flaming up. DJ flaming up. Twerk, 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 twerk. Did get this product from Ulta Beauty. I think I paid like $6. $7.99, something like that for it. It's very affordable, but look at the shine though. This product is freaking amazing just by application. You know, it's no silicones, no parabens, has coconut oil, has bergamot oil. I love this deep conditioner already. I can't wait to see what happens when I let it sit. I'm gonna add my little rice water. It's so moisturizing. Like, I can see why it'll be good for dull, dry hair. Because, baby, let me tell you right now, my hair is super moisturizing. Look at the girls. You can just see the shine. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. Tease me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say. It's really important, ladies and guys, if you are watching, to make sure you find a good deep conditioner for your hair. You need a moisturizing one. You need one that's going to put shine back into your hair. You need one that's going to detox your hair. You need one that's going to put protein in your hair. Each deep conditioner is not the same, and it's really important for you to do trial and error. You know, luckily every deep conditioner I have used except for one was not good for my hair, and I'm about to be natural for 3 years in December, so I have a good like running streak with good deep conditioners for my hair. But again, everyone's hair is different, but I really do think if your hair is tighter curls than mine, and a lot thicker than mine, that this deep conditioner will definitely work for you, because one, it has a slit, and then two, it's super moisturizing. So I highly recommend you picking up this product. DJ flame it up. All right, we are all finished. We all are applied. Honey girl is here. It is. Oops, sorry. So I'm gonna add some more of this all over. I hate when it gets on my face because it has a strong smell. It's getting in my throat. Okay, so I just applied it. I'm gonna put my hair in a plastic bag and I'm gonna let it sit for about, I want to say 40 minutes or so. It says 20 minutes on the jar, but you know, us black people don't listen to that. I'll be back in the next slide to show you the results. So I am back and I rinsed out my deep conditioner, so let's see how it is. Do you not see that shine? When I mean my hair is shiny, you could look at the gold parts. Like, this deep conditioner. All right, let me just take down a twist so we can actually see what's going on. I'm so excited, guys. All right, let's see. Yep, it's super moisturized, it's shiny, it smells good. It doesn't have like a strong lingering smell, which I love. And yeah, you could tell like it is soft, like fluffy, so there's not much definition because it's, you know, it detox my hair. So it has like that little hint of, you know, moisture, but it definitely needs to be moisturized because like there's no definition. Plus my shrinkage, you could tell like it's real. When I know my hair needs to be moisturized, it shrinks up like this and there's no definition. So it did its job. It detoxed my hair completely. Because usually with deep conditioners, once I take it out, you can still see like the pattern, like the curl pattern and everything, but you don't see it. But if you want to get rid of all the impurities of your hair, like the oils, the creams, the gels, and you don't have the Aztec clay, I will highly recommend this product. It's only $6.99. You can get it at Sally's Beauty, you can get it at Target, you could get it at Ulta Beauty as well. Yeah, I definitely recommend this product. It detoxed my hair, so now I have to go moisturize my hair so I get ready for my wash and go, and that will be in a next video. So watch my other video before this. You can see how I prepped my hair before I did my deep conditioner. But yeah, I do recommend this. I'm about to get ready for my wash and go, and again, like, I highly recommend this product. I mean, it feels great though, guys. It's nice and clean, and yeah, let me just hurry up and start my wash and go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on social media at livelife_key. That's where I'm most active at. And guys, I will see you in my next video, which will be my wash and go. See you later, guys.